Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play two players on Super Mario Maker 2 Story Mode. Unfortunately, the Story Mode in Super Mario Maker 2 is a dedicated single-player experience. You cannot directly play through these levels with a second player. This mode is designed for one person to embark on a solo adventure, completing missions to gather coins and rebuild Princess Peach's castle. So, while the game offers many multiplayer features, Story Mode itself is not one of them. However, you can absolutely enjoy Super Mario Maker 2 with friends in other exciting ways. For local co-op, simply head to the Course World. Here, you can download countless user-created levels or play your own designs with up to 4 players on a single Nintendo Switch console. Just connect extra controllers, like Joy-Cons or Pro controllers, and choose the Play Together option when selecting a course. It's a fantastic way to share the fun. Beyond playing, Super Mario Maker 2 also lets you get creative together. In the Course Maker, 2 players can team up to design levels. One player takes on the role of Mario, with full access to all tools and menus. The second player, as Luigi, can assist by placing items and interacting with the environment using a more focused set of tools. This collaborative building mode is perfect for crafting unique challenges with a friend. For those looking to play with friends who aren't in the same room, Super Mario Maker 2 offers online and local wireless multiplayer. Through Course World's network play, you can join up to 3 other players for co-op or versus matches on user-created courses. If your friends have their own consoles nearby, you can use the Nearby Play option. Remember, an active Nintendo Switch Online membership is needed for any online multiplayer activities.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.